Good morning, students of class 10, subject English language, topic errors to avoid in argumentative essays, part 3 composition writing. Now, in the previous videos, I told you what to avoid and tips and techniques of writing descriptive and narrative compositions. Since you all know what is an argumentative composition, today I will discuss about the errors that you should avoid while writing an argumentative composition. I know quite a number of you like argumentative composition, but before you decide to write one, make sure that you have a genuine interest in the topic. You should have a clear idea about what you are writing. Some knowledge about the topic is essential here. Presentation of arguments by using meaningful simple words and sentences should be focused on. You have to write either for or against the topic. Many of you are into the habit of writing both. This is absolutely wrong. Do not repeat your points. The tone of the essay, the tone of your composition should be assertive and not didactic. So you should not preach anything. You should just give your opinion on a topic. Take up each of your point and elaborate clearly. So once you write a point, make sure you explain the point from your perspective clearly in clear words. Your conclusion should be strong and precise. Use examples and comparisons to support your view logically. So when you write a point, try to elaborate the point by using some examples. Most of you fail to give proper examples to support your views. Okay, so try to give proper examples. Okay, another thing is no need to mention the question again and again while writing the composition, and no need to mention repeatedly whether you are supporting it or not supporting it. You can just write directly. Support your arguments with facts and reasons. So in this type of compositions, only facts and reasons are given priority. Avoid illogical things. Do not waste your time in writing illogical things. Now, as your homework, I have chosen a topic here. The topic is money causes more harm than good. So you have to express your views either for or against this statement. So many, almost all of you have written argumentative compositions in class 9. So I hope that you will be able to write a composition on this topic as well. So do it as your homework. Thank you.